Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our cam sequence number option, which is available for the actual cam feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But yeah, before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. So now, as you guys can see, here's our little project we just created. So we have three basic shapes here: a circle, rectangle, and a hexagon with rounded edges. So now what we can do is we can finally heat up this cam feature. But obviously make sure your program is saved, or your project, so in case you run into problems, you can resort or default back to the original. So I'm going to click the cam here, and then it's going to give us a few options already, and we have some other options we can also go into more advanced. But first of all, what we're going to be covering here is our actual numbers. So we have here the actual project, which how can I say this, which shapes is going to go to first. Now the reason why I covered this is because it is important to note that it does not work relevant to the actual number of your shape, as we can see here on the left, but it actually works going to from left to right. So we've got here number 1, 3 and 2, as we can see. But if we look at this, we can see this thing is going to number 3 before number 2. So that is something quite important to keep in mind. So I'm just going to disable this. Now let's quickly move this order around. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. But you have to unclick, keep doing that. Now we've got 3, 1 and 2. So now let's go to cam again. Now we can see it's going to 3 first, then 1, then 2. So depending on your origin of where your actual machine is going to be starting, keep that in mind. It's going to go then to the first shape, the closest shape, next shape, and then the next shape. So the numbers over here is not as relevant as you think. It is more telling you what's the number of your actual shape. So keep that in mind when working with the cam feature. But yeah, otherwise that is it on the actual numbers. Like I said, it might be confusing at first because you'll be thinking, okay, cool, it's going to numbers, but it's actually not. It's going to a different order. But yeah, otherwise we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.